Hey folks, welcome to our November monthly roundup. This is where we dive into the latest happenings in the Dragonfly world, up and coming events, and ways for you to get involved. So, kicking off with some exciting and big news, Dragonfly Cloud is now available on the AWS Marketplace. Dragonfly Cloud already lets customers deploy data stores in the preferred AWS regions with VPC connectivity to existing infrastructure. But now billing is easier than ever. You can pay for your instance directly through the AWS Marketplace, consolidating it with the rest of your monthly AWS bill. You can get started by visiting the AWS Marketplace listing, click subscribe, and set up your Dragonfly Cloud account. Billing will be seamlessly integrated with AWS. Now for our latest development releases. We've rolled out Dragonfly v1.25. This latest version delivers exciting enhancements and bug fixes to improve performance and reliability. Some of the key highlights I'd like to shout out about are continue to enhance our search capabilities, for instance, a few fixes and improvements for the FT search command, allow prefix search with tag values, start to support savings and load snapshots from GCS, and we've had some more improvements around replication and snapshotting. ZRank and Z or RevRank commands now support with score option. You can check out the full release notes below in our GitHub link, in our GitHub repo, and I'll put a link here below in the video. I want to give a shout out to our top contributor. A huge thank you to Akam Rishag for their incredible work on implementing Hexfire and Field Expire commands. It really demonstrated not only a deep understanding of Dragonfly's code base, but also how he collaborated with the rest of the team. He actively sought out feedback and support from the maintainers and peers throughout the process. The Dragonfly community really continues to thrive because of people just like him and others who take part each month by contributing to our GitHub repo. If you've missed our cloud webinar, don't worry, you can watch the replay of our cloud webinar, Introduction to Dragonfly Cloud. It really is a must-watch if you're looking to maximize your data infrastructure and streamline your cloud deployments. And you can find that on our YouTube channel with all our latest videos that we publish each month. Now, if you're traveling to AWS reInvent next month, please do stop by and let us know that you're going to be taking part. You can stop by our booth at 1641. We have some demos lined up on Dragonfly Cloud. You get an opportunity to meet the team, hear more about our vision for the future of our data infrastructure. We'll have special giveaways, including our Dragonfly Lego. And if you've seen what it's like, you'll look at our LinkedIn page and see how great it actually is. It's a little bit tricky to build. We've had a lot of great feedback about how it's nice to have their Dragonfly on the desk. We'll also be giving away $200 of Dragonfly Cloud credit. So make sure you stop by our booth, or if you're not able to make it and want to send one of your team, make sure they stop by and say hi to us. You can reply to this email if you are attending to let me know, and we can arrange some time to connect ahead of time. Now, I know each month, each of you keep asking how you can get some free swag from us. So I'd love to hear about your experiences. You can send me a testimonial and you'll receive an exclusive Dragonfly mug. If you want to send me a screenshot of Dragonfly installed via the CLI, I'll mail you some Dragonfly stickers. So again, just drop me an email, laura@dragonflydb.io. You can catch me with any feedback or any feature requests or anything else that you want to talk about for the Dragonfly community. That's it for this month's roundup. Thank you for being part of the Dragonfly community. And if you have any feedback or questions or want to chat about anything else, feel free just to reach out. Take care, folks. See you next month.